Come over here.
Come over here for what? RJ. RJ. What's up? What's up, man? RJ.
You don't know what's in here?
What is? What's in there?
A bug.
A bug.
Yeah.
What kind of bug?
What
Where's
is
that?
it? What is it?
I don't see nothing.
What is it?
I don't see no bug.
What is that? What is it?
I don't know. There ain't nothing in there.
But that
See? There ain't nothing in there.
is a bug.
No, it's not.
Uh-huh.
No.
Look.
That's a dead-ass plant or something. Ain't nothing in there. Who told you that was a bug?
What is it?
It's like this stuff. I don't see none of it out here. It's just some dead plants or something.